There is a line, then there is a triangle. We can be draw any type of the object with using a line. So with using a line, we are draw any type of the like hexagon, triangle, rectangle, like this. So it is a rasterization of lines, triangles, and the polygon. The PO of or program outcome of this experiment is basic knowledge, discipline knowledge, experiments and practice, engineering tools, and communication. So what is a DDA? DDA is the digital differential analyzer, which is used for the interpolation of variables in between the interval of starting and ending point. We are draw triangles, lines, any kind of the polygon with using the line algorithm. The competency of this experiment is we have to write graphics functions. Here we are using graphic function like init graph, close graph. In the simple graphics program, we are include the graphics.h header file. This is most important. We are using the graphics driver concept, graphics mode, path of the BGA file. Everything we are used in the computer graphics program. The CO of this experiment is implement the standard algorithm to draw the various graphical objects using the C program. So practical outcome is we are implementing the DD algorithm to draw the line. So what is exactly DDA? As we learned all these things earlier, but we are just revise it. So in DDA, we have a one starting point and one ending point. In between that, we have to find out the pixels on that line. So we are use one technique in the DDA line drawing algorithm that we have to first read that two endpoints of the line, anything, then we are calculating the delta x, delta y, slope of that line. If absolute value of delta x is greater than absolute value of delta y, then step is equals to delta x, else step is equals to delta y. And we have to calculate the x and y incremented values depending on the slope of the line. There are three cases. One for the m is equals to 1, another is for m is greater than 1, and third one is that m is less than 1. Depending on that, the x incrementing and y incrementing values are varied. So in short, this is the algorithm of the DDA line drawing algorithm. First, we are reading the input of the two endpoints like as a x1, y1, x2, y2. But most important thing that there is a not x1 is compulsory not equals to x2 and y1 is not equals to y2. Means it should not be only single point. We have a two points. So first we are in the step 2 we are calculating the dx and dy. Third step, if delta x is greater than delta y, then step is equals to dx, else step is equals to dy. Then x increment is what? Means x increment we want to find out, then this is a dx upon step and yn is equals to dy upon step. We have to increment it by 0.5. So x is equals to x1 plus 0.5 and y is equals to y1 plus 0.5. There is a for loop from starting to the end point. We have to plotting the points. So we are use for loop. So for k is equals to 0 up to the k is less than step, means difference between x2 minus x1 or y2 minus y1. So this is the step and we are incrementing the variable value k. So x is equals to x plus x increment and y is equals to y plus y increment. Put pixel. Put pixel is a function to plot the point on the screen. So it is a xy. We have to plot pixels, xy position. So this is the simple output of the DD algorithm. So there is an algorithm we have to write. So this is the algorithm you have to write in the algorithm part. there is a flow chart. You have to draw the flow chart like the previous experiment. Then there is a C programming code. I show you. See here we are including the graphics.h header file. There is a void main. We are taking these variables x1, y1, x2, y2, dx, dy, and step. For the next point, we have to use two variables x and y. Then next we are using the initgraph function. Initgraph and gd and gm is equals to and path of the BGI file. So this is the path of the BGI file c/turboc/BGI. This is a very important for any graphical function, graphical programs. You have to use the initgraph method. Then we have to add two values x1, y1, means it is a starting point of the line. So we are scan f function is used to get the values from the user x1 and y1. And then we have to enter the values of x2, y2, means end point of the line. So we are access it with using the x2 and y2. Next step is what? There is a dx is equals to absolute value of x2 minus x1 and dy is equals to absolute value of y2 minus y1. If dx is greater than, then step is equals to dx. If dy is greater than dx, then step is dy. So if dx is greater than equals to dy, then step is dx, else it is a dy. Then dx is equals to dx upon step and dy is equals to dy upon step. Then we are used x is x1, y1 starting point, y is equals to y1. It is a y coordinate of the starting point. Then we are using the for loop. For I is equals to 1, I less than equals to step and I plus plus. Use put pixel x and comma with the color of that pixel. We are using the 5 for that color code. And then we are incrementing the value of x and y. So x is equals to x plus dx and y is equals to y plus dy. We are using the delay function. For whatever we are plotting the pixels, we want to see properly. So we are using the delay 100. Then lastly, there is a get ch and close graph. If I run this program, then I have to add values. So I used 50, 50 and value of x2 is 120, 200. So there is a delay. So there are one by one pixels are plotting into this onto the screen. So you can see that this line is visible to all of you. Output.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So if I change that color, yes, I want another. And there is a point 100, 100. 180 to 90. Then color of that pixel is changed. From the starting point to the end of the end point of the line, the pixels are put onto the screen with using the put pixel function, and we can easily see that pixel. So this is all about the DDA line drawing algorithm program. So you have to write the C code over here. Then there is a resources, you have to write it. Result, conclusion. There is a term rasterization. You have to plot the whatever the object. So you can add it with using the rasterization. There is a slope intercept of the line is m, is a delta y upon delta x, or there is a one function y is equals to mx plus c. You can use it. Then write down the advantages and disadvantages of the DDA line drawing algorithm. We was already seen it in the previous lecture. After that, you have to solve this example. These two examples also we are discussed in the lectures, so you have to just solve it. 3, 4, 6, 8. And -5, -5, -12, -12. It was learned in the morning. Is everyone remember it?
Yes, ma'am.
So complete the experiment number 2 and attach in the classroom today itself. So is 5 p.m. is okay? Up to 5? Is it okay for you?
मॅम उद्याच टाइम द्या ना.
मॅम थोडा टाइम वाढवा ना.
हो,
Yes,
मॅम.